Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular crochet hooks. These versatile tools combine a traditional crochet hook with a flexible cable, making them perfect for larger projects. The cable acts as a stitch holder, keeping hundreds of stitches secure and preventing them from slipping off. This innovative design also helps distribute the weight of your work, significantly reducing strain on your hands and wrists during long crafting sessions. Let's dive into how to get started. Circular crochet hooks are the cornerstone of Tunisian crochet, a unique technique that blends elements of both knitting and crocheting. You'll work in two distinct passes, a forward pass and a return pass. During the forward pass, you'll pick up and keep all active stitches on your hook, much like knitting. Then, the return pass works those stitches off the hook, creating a dense, fabric-like texture. This method allows for beautiful, intricate patterns. While often associated with Tunisian crochet, circular hooks are also fantastic for crocheting large projects in the round. Instead of working flat, you'll join your first and last stitches to form a continuous circle. A stitch marker is your best friend here, helping you keep track of the beginning of each new round. This method is perfect for creating seamless items like blankets, large hats, or even intricate garment pieces without needing to sew seams later. To ensure a smooth experience with circular crochet hooks, here are a few helpful tips. Always select a hook size that complements your yarn weight. A good match prevents tight or loose stitches. Practicing consistent tension will result in beautifully even fabric. Consider using a hook with a swivel cable, which helps prevent the cable from twisting and tangling as you work. Finally, experiment with various cable lengths to find what feels most comfortable for your project size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.